Lithuania is one of the leading countries in Europe in terms of alcohol consumption. The legal blood alcohol limit for drivers is 0.4 per meal, and alcohol can only be purchased there between 10 a.m. and 8 p.m. Here are some random facts about Lithuania. It is one of the countries with the highest annual suicide rates in the world. In Lithuania, this rate is 33 per 100,000 inhabitants per year. The average Lithuanian earns over $1,700 a month. The United States is 150 times larger than this country. Try to subscribe, but with a hammer.